What's up guys, this is Masi. Welcome to another video. In this video I want to show you how to use L'Hopital's rule when we are dealing with intermediate form infinity over infinity. We want to find out limit of ln x over x when x approaches infinity. So we just sub it there. It's going to be ln infinity over infinity, which is going to be infinity over infinity. Since we are dealing with infinity over infinity, we need to use the L'Hopital's rule. L'Hopital's rule is saying that you need to find out the derivative of numerator and also derivative of denominator. Derivative of numerator of ln x is 1 over x, and derivative of x is 1 when x is approaching infinity. So that's going to be limit of 1 over x when x is approaching infinity. That's going to be 1 over infinity, and it's going to be equal to 0. So that's how we use intermediate form infinity over infinity and L'Hopital's rule to find out the limit of the expression. Thank you for watching and have a great day.